Hey guys, today I will perform a surgical operation on my bathtub. Keep watching, it will be interesting. Down here, there is dampness in the neighbor's ceiling below. The guys from the plumbing insurance wanted to break the tiles here, which is easier. Since I don't have any spare tiles, I prefer to fix it myself, but through a different side in the nearby room. Here you can see the direction from which I will perform the fix. I made some measurements as accurate as possible to avoid making damage to the piping in the middle. Let's start breaking. I worked very carefully, without applying too much force towards the wall. Okay, here's the tub. As expected, the sand is wet. Let's take a look inside. I opened another hole in the wall to make it easier to walk. Here you can see the tub's drain. There is a high chance that the leakage came from there. Let's check it out. This is a wireless flood detector. Right now, I will just use it for the demonstration, but after the fix, it will remain here. In order to create water pressure on the drain, I blocked the drain pipe. Now, I will turn the faucet on. Here it comes. The leakage begins. Notice that after the water accumulates, the detector's light turns on, and then I will receive a push notification in the mobile application. That's an awesome solution from my workplace in the high-tech. I'm actually a software engineer. Okay, let's start fixing it. It won't be easy though. It's difficult to reach the drain and see what I'm doing at the same time. In the video, it runs quickly, but it took a long time. Although the leak was at the bottom part of the drain, since I already opened everything, I decided to replace additional parts. Hey there, this is me. I will use this mirror to see what I am doing through the other hole. This is clearly a laparoscopic surgery, isn't it? Now I will reinstall everything. Here I needed some help from the other side, so my lively wife assisted me here. If you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button, leave a comment, it helps a lot to spread the video to others. This fix was a nightmare, but that's a risk that you take when you do it yourself. You are watching the process running quickly, but I actually went to rest every few minutes. Finally, everything is installed. It was exhausting. Let's test it. I can't believe it. There is a small leak here. I need to remove it. Again. Apparently, there is no choice but trying to add a Teflon sealing tape. At this point, I was no longer recording, but I can tell you that applying the tape with one hand was more complicated than the process you saw in the last installation. I almost gave up in the middle. Let's make another test, a final one, hopefully. I did the same test as before, which was fine. Later, I marked the water level on the tub and let it stand for 3 hours. Okay, finally it went perfect. No leaks anymore. I put the flood detector back inside and closed the wall, but not permanently. I installed a removable cover so I can have an easier access later if needed. By the way, this video was taken about a year ago and everything has been fine since then. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and leave a comment if you learned something from my video. Check out my other videos here. Bye!